Hey guys, welcome back to Kali J's Kitchen. Today I'll take you back in the kitchen with me and I'll show you how I prepared my curry coconut fish. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment, and tell a friend to tell another friend about Kali J's Kitchen. You can also go ahead and follow me on Facebook, it's Kali J's Kitchen. Follow me on Instagram, it's Kali Kitchen _1, and go ahead and turn on that post notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. So here I have my sliced fish. I also have my curry powder, some black pepper. I also have some all-purpose seasoning and parsley flakes. I also have my onion, my scotch bonnet pepper, my thyme, and of course I have some garlic, and I also have my bell peppers, and I also have my coconut milk. Alright, so guys, just to note, I'm using coconut milk powder and I went ahead and just dissolved it in water. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and add some of the curry powder, the all-purpose seasoning, and the parsley flakes with some of the black pepper in a separate small bowl. I'm gonna go ahead and combine it up together. Then I'm gonna go in and season my fish. Now, if you guys wanna go ahead and use your hand to just rub on the seasoning, you can do so, or you can just go ahead and place the gloves on your hand and just do what you have to do. But for me, I did not have a gloves right away, so I'm gonna go in and just use the spoon to apply the seasoning. All right, so while I'm seasoning my fish, I have my pot on the stove that I'm gonna cook my curry coconut fish in. I added some vegetable oil, allow it to heat up on the lowest heat. So shortly we're gonna go over to the stove and we're gonna start preparing our curry coconut fish. All right, really easy and simple, guys. I will leave the recipe in the description box. Go ahead and try it out and tell me what you think. Remember to leave a comment in the comment section. And guys, if you want to see me prepare an awesome dish, go ahead and leave a comment in the comment section and tell me what you want to see me prepare on my channel for you guys. All right, Alright guys, so now it's time to start preparing my curry coconut fish. As I said earlier, this is the pot that I'm going to prepare it in. So I'm going to go in and add the curry powder because you want to burn your curry a little, but you don't want it to be too dark. Alright, so you have to be real careful. So once my curry is burned to perfection, I'm gonna go in and add the onion, the scotch bonnet pepper, the garlic, and also the thyme. You wanna get all of that flavor from the seasoning. I will also go in and add the rest of the powdered seasoning. All right. I'm also gonna go in and add the coconut milk, and guys, just to note, I'm gonna allow this to cook for roughly 3 to 5 minutes. Then I'm gonna come back and show you guys what I'm going to do next. All right. Alright guys, so this is what the sauce looks like. As you can see, coming along quite fine, smell real good. So I'm gonna go in and just add the fish, and I'm using sliced fish. You guys can go and use whole fish if you have, and fish is available at your local supermarket. Just go in and go over to the meat section and you will see different kind of fish that you guys can use. So once I add my fish to the sauce, I'm gonna go in and just cover it. So I'm gonna pour the sauce all over it. Then I'm gonna go in and also add the bell peppers. So we don't want the bell peppers to be too soft. So I'm gonna add the bell peppers when it's almost finished cooking, alright? So this basically took me 20 to 25 minutes to prepare. Really easy and simple. I had it with some white rice, and I also add some cucumber and some tomatoes to this, alright? So guys, you also want to ensure that you monitor this because you don't want your fish to break apart, alright? So as I said earlier, I'm gonna add the bell peppers when it's almost finished cooking, alright? Because I don't want it to, I want it to have some crunchiness to it, alright? So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna cover this and give it some more minutes. Then I'm gonna come back and show you guys the final product of my curry coconut fish, alright? So guys, this is the final product of my curry coconut fish. As you can see, really easy and simple. I hope you guys enjoy this recipe. I hope you guys try out this recipe at home. Remember to turn on your post notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and see you tomorrow for another awesome recipe. Bye.